Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming at you with another basically a Dollar Tree DIY, but also some Walmart and Hobby Lobby, I believe. Yeah, Hobby Lobby as well. So I'm starting with these items from the Dollar Tree, these these candle holders. I'm using some E6000, or you can use some Fix All, whatever type of strong glue that you desire. And I'm just running some on the top of this candle holder, and I'm going to be joining the two pieces together. You also can use some hot glue to get that instant stick, or you can just use a straight whatever strong glue that you want to do and just let it sit without continuing the next step. So I'm just placing it on the bottom. Then I applied some pressure and I moved on to the next step. I used some painter's tape and I just kind of went around the middle section of the candle holder. You can do as little or as much as you like. I just wanted to leave some on the top and some on the bottom. And I'm going to be using some Rustoleum gold, metallic gold spray paint. Use whatever color paint that you want to do. So once my pieces were dried, I used some of this contact paper that I used on my previous videos. I got this contact paper from Walmart. You can also order it on Amazon, or you can get it from other places as well. And I'm using, there's a grid on the back, so I counted 4 of the squares, and I'm going to cut along the 4 squares because that's the width of this, the space that I left for when I put my painter's tape. So that's the part that I'm going to cover. So next I remove the painter's tape, and I'm going to start placing my contact paper in that same spot. And this contact paper went on here pretty easy. I just kind of lined it up and just rolled it around until it was on there. If you misplace it, you can just relift it and just restick it. So just following the guide, and it was just going to the roll, just fitting onto the roll really good. I just tore a little bit of the paper back at a little bit at a time as I went around. And you just want to make sure it's smooth as you go around. And that is really simple. Basically, that's it. And I'm going to go on to the next step. I also laid it on the side so I can cut a line because I had too much of the paper. So the next thing I used were these crystal pieces that I got from Hobby Lobby. I've had these for a good while. The pack says $7.99, but of course you want to use your discounts when you go to Hobby Lobby. And also these gems, which I think those gems came from, the rhinestones came from Michael's. And of course use your discount at Michael's as well. So they come with 2 sizes in the pack, the acrylic gems. So I'm taking the small one and the larger one, and I'm going to alternate with the size going around the bottom of the candle holder. But I'm also putting a rhinestone over the hole because it has a little hole there for you to loop things through for these to dangle. But I'm not going to let them dangle. I'm just going to put a rhinestone on top using some hot glue just to cover up that hole, and I'll be using some hot glue to attach these to the bottom of the candle holder. You can use your stronger glue if you decide to do that. You just will need to use some hot glue in addition so you can get that instant stick. And here, just going around the bottom, alternating the smaller one and the larger one as I go around to complete this look. And it's up to you guys if you want this to be the final look. But I'm also going to add a few rhinestones around where the gold and the marble meets. That's going to be totally up to you if you want to do that step or not. If you have like some of the diamond wrap, you can do that. But I'm going to just take some of the rhinestones and kind of sporadically, well, space them and go around the bottom as well as the top. And you also can add whatever touches that you like to add to yours if you decide to recreate them. So this is the final look, you guys. I think they turned out really pretty. I love the gold and the marble together, as I've stated before. And that is a hot thing right now. So if you guys are interested in this, pick up those items and go ahead and get to crafting. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you taking your time out to watch my video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like this video and want to continue to see more and you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell. And until next time, you guys, I love you guys. Bye.